Don't mind me, I'm just going to be speaking into the camera a little bit. But yeah, man, we're going out to the, what is it, the firefighter's flagpole?
Yep.
Alright, we're going to do a little memorial ride over there, and we're hanging out in the RZR now. We're in the big four-wheeled vehicle. Ah, that's nice. Sound system too?
Yeah.
Oh.
There in case I upgraded it, but...
I'm over there like, man, I hope this thing starts, and you guys are over here, man, I hope my Bluetooth hooks up.
That's Trevor.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's right. Oh, that was an epic day though, man.
Oh yeah, we had a good ride.
Good.
We had two pretty sketchy transitions that the four-wheelers took us over.
There we go.
Scared the shit out of me.
Saw one of those Funko cars with air ride on the other side.
You see that trophy truck at Old?
Yep.
Yeah.
Just burning it up, the thing. Yeah.
One of the parasailers.
Rolling. That feels good. Yeah! Oh! Smokes. I'm looking at that Banshee running over there. I don't even know if that's a Banshee, but that guy was a roosting. Yeah. Go, go, go. Nice. Yes! Oh shit. I should have put my seatbelt on. Yep.
Which way? Right?
Yep. You go, good. We're gonna get there. We're gonna kind of keep snaking. There you go. Follow. Then we'll go through right there. Good. Keep going that way. Yep, flagpole's right down there. Good. Flagpole's right down there. So just kind of snake your way down. Yep. You can keep going this way, it's fine. There we go, and then see those tracks that way? We'll follow those. So crest right. Good. Then we'll follow this and then crest left. Good. Just gonna kind of keep snaking through these. Then it'll crest right. Then left. Crest up top. And there's the flagpole to our left. Whatever way you think is safe to get down, you go for it. We're right next to the flagpole. So, yep, good. Send it up and crest right. Good. Now follow these around. There she is. Right over there. Now we're at the firefighter's flagpole. And it's beautiful with the sun going down, huh?
Thank you, Ian.
You're welcome. Yeah.
Go around this way. We'll come back around to the right.
Yep. Nice new Pro R over there. I do like the colors. I like loud colors.